Hello guys, Little Shade. In today's video we're going to be trying one of these paint removers. It's like if you have a dent on your car like I have like another car passed, like another car hit that car. I got it like that, so you could still see the mark. I got it like that. My brother give it the car like that. So yeah, that's not my original car. My brother give it to me. Yeah. And yeah, so I bought this from eBay. I seen those ads online that say remove, but does it actually work though? So right now we're gonna be finding out. So before I do that, I gotta remove that because as you can see, there's like a dent. So this is supposed to be straight, this end there. So I cannot put it on top of this. It won't work. Let me try. Nope, it won't work. You have to be on the body. So I have to remove this. Like I'm halfway, I think. Yeah, halfway. I'm going to put this and then try to remove it. All right. It should be easy. Hold on, I'll just break the camera. Oh boy. If I cannot remove it, actually there's like a thing that holds it right here. I'm just gonna find another way around it. So let's just try to put it down there. I already tried to put it. It didn't stick in there too well. So let's see. Fuck. Oh shit! I almost fall. And I need to be here. Shit. Hold on. I'm going to try to get this shit out. So there you guys have it. I'm on there to take it out. People say you have to go inside, but you didn't have to. There was just like a thing right here, a screw. So I broke it. I'm just gonna figure out a way, just do a screw right here so it could hold. So now I'm just going to try to dent this back, and I'm going to try to put this right here. So I undone this. You could see the body line go right here, but this, I think I made this worse. As you could see, this kind of dent in, so I'll try my best to pull this out. And I'm going to put a screw right here. A screw, so it goes in there. So yeah, wish me luck, but that thing's not gonna come out good. So I got this fixed. So I just need to put some double side tape on there to replace the old one and put it back and screw something right here and finally to dent this right back. So the body line shows, so it's good. And what I find out also about this is that this only work on small part. Like it will not work on this. Like I try to put it. It will stick to it, but nothing will actually happen. Like nothing will actually happen. It still stay the same. Like right here, like my hood flew while I was driving. Yeah, crazy shit. But I wasn't driving that fast. My whole windshield's broke and shit. Then that happened. That was then all the way. I had to go inside and push it with my feet. So I had the rest. I didn't know what to do with it, but when I tried this on, it's not able to like put it back on. Like I don't know if you could. There you go. There's the dent. You could see the line right here. There's the line. You see? I tried to put it. You won't even stick to it. You won't even stick to it. So this thing only work in like small dent, you could say. Like the one that was on the door, like it will automatically stick to the door. But yeah, that's the door. But I think they have another one, but I'm not gonna waste my money and try that because I mean that won't work. But I'm just gonna leave it like that. I'm just gonna leave the roof like that. So this just need a paint work, you know. So this, I'm just gonna fix put this back together and see how it look. So there you guys have it. It came out like trash, like I thought so. Damn. If you, it doesn't show, but the screw will show. I'm gonna have to paint that black or something. So yeah, I guess this is how you remove your paint, your a dent, and fucked up this thing. Yeah, I'm probably gonna get a whole new one for that thing, man. So yeah, the only reason I messed up is because while I was taking this off, there was a screw right there. I didn't pay attention to it. So to keep this in, this is what I had to do to hold this in. And you could see the gap. I don't know. The glue is not doing its job, man. I'm gonna leave it there a couple days, and hopefully, I don't know. It doesn't. Oh God. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do something with it. Either take everything off, then replace it with a new one, or I cut it right here. Cut it, then leave the power blank for some time. So yeah, and for your question, yes, these do work. And smaller part, but not big part, like big bent like you were hoping for, but just small dent. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, like the video. Now see you next week.